I can't get my arm free! I can't get my arm free! Ah!
Just want to say apologies for not recording an episode last week. We had just gone back from Japan and I managed to make one extra episode for when we were there about the march, but we were absolutely fucking destroyed after coming back from Japan, so didn't have time to make an episode. So I'm hoping to have this done for tomorrow, so if you see this now, I have succeeded. But Japan was incredible. It pretty much destroyed us. We've done everything we wanted to do. We met Alexi from Noriaro. We met up with the CSS guys again. We've done a lot of amazing stuff. You should follow us on Instagram at JuiceBox4U, or my Instagram, or Flip's Instagram, or Ruben's Instagram. We're kind of drip feeding all the stuff that we've done. The video won't be out for a long time because you know these vlogs are behind, and there's nothing we can do about that. I filmed so much stuff that I'm pretty much, my head is destroyed. I need to process. There's like 400 gigs worth of stuff, so it should be good. So I'm gonna do an episode this Monday and next Monday. I wish I could do that all the time for you, but it's just to make up for not actually having one last week. Somehow we're in a new Need for Speed video game, and the guys that make Need for Speed are fans of the vlog. They watch it, and our friend Paddy that works at Speed Hunters, he said to us, hey, the guys from Need for Speed want to put your stickers in the game because they watch the vlogs, they're a big fan of it. So somehow we're in the new Need for Speed. There's Juicebox stickers, you can put them on whatever you want, any car. It's kind of crazy because we grew up playing Need for Speed. You know, everyone played like, what's it, Hot Pursuit or whatever. Yeah. Underground 1 and 2 with the never-ending garage that just has that song.
Lil Wayne.
Through the window! Through the window! Through the wall! Oh, I don't know what he says, but it's crazy that we're in the new Need for Speed. I never thought that like a bunch of idiots that like make cars in Waterford in a shed would end up in an EA video game.
I'm gonna ring you.
No, don't worry. Yeah, we're going to a thing. It's really early. Punchestown. Car show, drifting. Everyone's very bubbly. We're all buzzing. Especially Evan.
It's not. Oh, kind of drifting. Yeah, it's raining. Shit.
We have another 6 hours to go.
6 hours?
Yeah.
Have the good sticker set up on the window there. You like the rally, and you do. Sure.
You're enjoying the rally,
Yeah, and the young fella loves it, is it?
Going upstairs. Fast and Furious. So this is our little area. Just stand up here and I'd stand there for hours and take it all in.
Someday this will all be yours.
Yeah. And it's attainable to everyone. You can all have all this loud pipes, save lights. It's too loud, you're too fucking old. It's so JDM.
Shall we go for a walk and look at the cars?
went to Irish Motor Festival. It started pissing rain, typical Irish weather. Saw some cars. We didn't really get to see much of the drifting because of the weather. Like, it's really terrible out. This happens a lot in Ireland. The weather kind of ruins everything. So luckily we were indoors. So just like that, 15-20 minutes ago we were at that car event and it was soaking wet, pissing rain. Seemed like a horrible end to a day, and then 20 minutes later it's like 20 something degrees and it's super sunny. It's like a different world. Irish weather at its finest. Ta-da!
Can you even?
I can get a Samsung in there.
I can't get my arm free! I can't get my arm free! Ah! Man, the bike rat! Man, you fucking yoke! Ah! We'll go any faster! She's not going anywhere! Fuck! Jesus Christ, Michael! Oh yeah! You like the cars?
A bunch of people have sent us really nice stuff over the last few months. I keep meaning to put it in a video. Oscar, pretty amazing. It's nice enough to put it in a little thing.
Nice.
But that's really cool. Thank you so much, Oscar. I'll put your Instagram up here somewhere. He draws cool cars, and this just nicely showed up for me one day in work. Let's see. I haven't even opened this. These are great. Toga Era from the Czech Republic. He's a fan of the vlogs. Yeah, so they're pretty sweet.
Yeah,
If you
nice.
follow them on Instagram, he's into old 80s and 90s Japanese stuff. Jamie Younger sent us. This is an emergency jettison panel from a SH-60B anti-submarine helicopter. It's been sitting in his garage for years. Feel free to take it apart, use it for whatever. And yeah, I guess he works in the army or something.
Fuck,
and
it's so great.
This is insane. He just sent us a piece of a helicopter. That's great. Try to wear that up in a car or something.
Put your ideas in the comments.
He also sent us this Japanese, I guess US Marine fruit ration from 1998 that's never been opened. The Japanese writing.
I really want to open it.
I'd say this is terrible inside, I'm not sure.
I really
But,
want to open that.
Jamie, thank you for sending me this stuff. It just showed up in work one day.
Be careful.
Holy shit. Joe sent us a selection of wiring diagrams for the 8.6.
Ooh.
He sent us a genuine Toyota keychain. That's mad.
Fuck.
Look at that. Toyota keychain part, so thank you, Joe Fay. Yeah, Jason Hamilton, classic car restorations. He wrote us a really nice letter. He actually broke his neck last year, and while he was recovering, he started watching all of our videos. He sent me this really, really nicely regatted warm jacket for the shed in the winter.
Stick it on.
Fancy. It's actually too warm to be wearing a lot of times, but it's got his logo on the back. So, Aidan he owns this car, and he has the 8.6.
That's not here.
It's not here at the moment. There's a bunch of kids on his street that are all like 11 and 12 years of age, and they watch the vlogs, and they stopped him one day and they gave him these sheets that just says open fan mail. So this is amazing. Big fan. Please put in video from Carl.
Nice one, Carl.
Carl drew us a little bike in a car.
nice, yeah.
That's great. Look at that.
That's from Aaron.
Yeah, your cars are fast from Aaron.
Fuck.
He drew the turbo car here. Oh, there's lots of them.
Fan mail.
Fan mail on the other side from Kevin. Boom!
Wow.
I love your vid from Kevin. It is a twin cam. P.S. Can you put it in a video?
Well, here you go.
It's going in the video,
Here
man.
you go, Kevin. Juice box.
From Kieran. Put this in a video. It's happening. They all have the same turbo machine. It's
Yeah,
great.
they like it, man. They're into turbos.
I sub to every video.
Whoa, what's happening there?
Blazo. Big fan, and I am new. Open fan mail. Put this in video from Alex. Unreal. So these are our 10 and 11-year-old fans that harass Aiden every time he's leaving his estate, and they're going to freak out now that these are in the videos and annoy Aiden even more. He even gave us this mint little Hot Wheels R34 Skyline.
Wow,
so that's amazing. And just says 12 in Irish here, so maybe they're 12. I'm not sure. I promised I'd put these in a video. We just haven't had a chance.
That's very good. I enjoy that.
Yeah. Sorry, there's not as much mad stuff in this video. I just wanted to put something out there for you because it's been like 3 weeks. We film whatever happens every week, so like some weeks we just go to a car show, so you know, that's just how it goes. Other weeks something else might happen. Like we haven't put anything in with the 8.6 in the last couple of episodes because we just got distracted and built the march. What's that?
I went to Japan.
The shop will reopen, I'm hoping for October. I want to design some new stuff, just trying to find the time to get back into reality, but there's a lot of inspiration in Japan, so we'll keep you posted on that. Other than that, yeah, be sure to follow us on social media. A lot of people ask us about Snapchat. Do we have Snapchat and stuff? Well, we're all on Instagram and we post a lot of regular updates that aren't a year behind. That's it, enough rambling on me. Hope you enjoyed this episode. There's another one next Monday. Thank you for watching as always.
Nice face.